How are you? I hope you all are every day doing very well. Day by day, you must be protecting yourself also and your family too. How? By not going outside. Hope so, students. You all must have completed your all the work because from day after tomorrow, today is 30, 31st is Sunday, and from Monday, from 1st of June, we are going to have live Zoom app meeting classes in which we will make a call one by one. Timetable your class teachers must have sent to you. So I hope you all must be doing your very well, must be busy in completing your work. And I'm repeating again, student, the day in which we have discussed the question answers, those date or that date will be the date of that particular chapter to complete. I'm repeating, students, again. Chapter first we have completed in the Beehive book, the fun they had, which is of Margie and Tommy. Then we have completed the Road Not Taken. Then the 3 more poems we have completed, all the 4 poems, and along with that chapter from Beehive, and plus the chapter which we have finished in yesterday's video, but today we are going to discuss the question answers, this chapter also, and put date of today's in this in that particular question answers of today's, put that only. Okay, so students, try to do this in a very well manner with a very well writing. Try to write with either gel pen or gel or ink pen, because dot pen can spoil your handwriting. Maintain the space after every chapter, maintain your index, maintain everything else, and accordingly work. So now, student, this video is the last video of the online class of this month, May, and maybe from July we can have schools, we can expect only, but let's see what will be the situation by the government, by the people in our surrounding, by our district, as it has been expected that our state is also going to be in a red hot spot, comparatively orange or green, because day by day we are increasing the corona patient regularly, so maybe the conditions can become critical afterwards also. So students, take care about this and accordingly work. So let's discuss the question answers about that chapter, The Lost Child. Question number 1, page number from where you have the question answer, students take out. Word meanings also you are supposed to write in your notebook. Afterwards, question number: what are the things that the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? Many things he has seen on the way there. Mustard oil field he saw, chopping of birds he saw, garden he saw, a lot of things he has seen. Butterfly wings, some insects came up over there, which were flying over there. So he was just fascinated by all these things, and he wanted to be like, when he was fascinated or when he was stopped to look at them, so he stopped there, due to which he was lagged behind. Then his parents were shouting, and then the parents were calling, and then he was stepping forward to take the steps of his parents. Another question is, in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Fine. When they entered in the fair, so what things he wanted? First of all, he has seen the sweetmeat, barfi, gulab jamun. Then when he thought that he will ask to his father, so his father must say that you are very greedy. Then he has seen the garland, the flowers, but the father will say they are cheap. Then he went to the balloons shop. He saw different colored balloons, but he was knowing if he will tell to his parents, so their parents will say you are not very younger to play with the balloons. Then he went to the snake charmer's way, but the father must say that the sound is very harsh, the music is not good. So these were the different things, and that is why he couldn't say anything to his parents. And finally, when he reached to the roundabout at the fair, that time he lost his parents. Clear? Another question is, when does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? That when did he came to know that he has lost his parents or he lost his way? And apart from that, his anxiety means worriedness, उसकी चिंता को कैसे describe किया है writer ने? So when he reached in a roundabout place, or in a roundabout, जब वो चरखी के पास पहुंचा, and when he shouted loudly, boldly that I want this. सो ही फाउंड नो आंसर एंड देन ही टर्न बैक, फिर उसने पीछे मुड़ के देखता है तो ही कुडंट फाइंड हिज पेरेंट्स एंड देन ही सर्च हियर एंड देयर, चारों डायरेक्शंस में अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढता है लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स उसको कहीं नहीं मिलते हैं। तब उसे पता चलता है कि ही हैज लॉस्ट हिज वे। इन एंग्जाइटी madly he was looking here and there, crying a lot, shouting a lot, and when he found a man also, and the man was showing all the pleasures to him which was very much lovable or enjoyable for him. Just before, when he lost his parents, he denied to enjoy anything else. So these are the things, or in this way he has destroyed. Then why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Due to the loss of parents. इंटरेस्ट क्यों खो गया उसका? क्योंकि उसके पेरेंट्स उसके खो गए थे, या वो खो गया था अपने पेरेंट्स से। तो जो भी इंटरेस्ट थे वो सब, उसको किसी भी चीज में इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहा, बिकॉज ही हैज लॉस्ट हिज पेरेंट्स। लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैपेंस इन द एंड? आपको क्या लगता है कि आखिर में क्या हुआ होगा? डज द चाइल्ड फाइंड हिज पेरेंट्स? अब ये चैप्टर में मुल्कराज आनंद ने फिनिश नहीं किया चैप्टर, आपके ऊपर छोड़ दिया आंसर। ये आप अपनी मर्जी से लिखेंगे इस आंसर को, यू विल राइट योरसेल्फ। Did he find his parents or did he not find his parents, or whatsoever is there, whatever has happened, is it happened or not happened, everything is there. So did he found his parents or did he not find his parents? This you will be writing by your own, in your own way you will be writing these answers. Okay, now let's move on to another questions, that is additional questions भी given है book में, वो भी discuss कर लेते हैं। How did the father distract the child माइंड फ्रॉम द टॉय सेलर? उसके जो पापा होते हैं वो कैसे उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, उसके माइंड को, जब वो एक टॉय शॉप देखता है। कैसे? कुछ याद आया? रेड रेड आइज दिखा के, यूं कहते कुछ नहीं है, रेड आइज शो करते हैं और बेचारा बच्चा वहां से चला गया। अनदर क्वेश्चन, व्हाई वाज द चाइल्ड ऑलवेज लैगिंग बिहाइंड हिज पेरेंट? बच्चा बार बार पीछे क्यों छूट जाता है? ये वही क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है। I know you must be knowing the answer. There were some things he knew his parents would not buy for him. She did not, so he didn't ask for them. What were these? ये भी हम पिछले क्वेश्चन में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. You can follow from there only. Who rescued the child? A man whom he found in the temple when he was about to tumble down on the foots of the people, those who were struggling to move forward. What did he offer to buy? बहुत सारी चीजें वो उसको ऑफर करता है खरीदने के लिए, balloons, garland, snake charmer song, or a lot of things, sweetmeat, burfi, everything, but he denied. Why did the child lose interest in the things that he wanted earlier? उसने इंटरेस्ट अपना क्यों खोया? Because he has lost his parents. So I hope so student, these are all the question answers. आज की डेट डाल के ये वाला चैप्टर भी वाइंड अप कीजिए, संडे बीच में आ रहा है, अपना वर्क कंप्लीट कीजिए और परसों से हमारी फिर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं. सो लेट्स मीट देयर ओनली. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. हैव अ नाइस डे. स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम.